To support appropriate skin care, Aloe Vesta and Sensicare cleansers, moisturizers, and skin protectants follow a numbering system. Number 1 products cleanse the skin, number 2 products moisturize, and number 3 products protect. Aloe Vesta Perineal Skin Cleanser is useful when caring for patients with urinary or fecal incontinence or diarrhea. This cleanser comes in a spray bottle for easy application. To apply the cleanser, spray it directly onto the patient's skin. Then gently wipe to remove soil. To protect this sensitive area, do not rub vigorously. Then, pat the area dry. No rinsing is needed.